Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Okay guys, so we have a couple more revealed products for the Ipsy July bag. Now this is for the regular standard $10 subscription bag. So I'll show you what we already have and then I will show you the two new spoilers. So first of all, let's take a look at this bag. I think is absolutely gorgeous. Now next we have the Firma Beauty 204 wide blender brush. Next, Mellow Cosmetics Precision Liquid Pen Eyeliner in the shade Black. Next, we have the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. And then we have the Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil with Cockadoo Plum. That's right, guys. It is Cockadoo Plum. And next is the Coffee Scrub and French Vanilla. Now, the other day we had revealed the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara. And also the Pacifica Bronzer and Blush Duo. And then next is the Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Babe Alert. And the new ones that have just been revealed, we got two new ones. First one is the Bomb What's the Tea. This is the Hot Tea Mini Eyeshadow. It's a warm shade and it's in the shade Ooh La La. And then the last one is a Luxie 1010 small contour brush. So guys, Ipsy is linked below if you want to check them out. Also, if they reveal any more spoilers, just know that I will keep you updated. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.